down. You are making me unstable. And in my mind, that is a dangerous place to be, little girl. Now, I promise you, I know where all the bodies are buried. And this new lifestyle that you think you have will be at your feet in ashes. Now, let's start this again. I'm Olivia, and I'm here for a meeting, so perhaps we should start now? Something funny, dear?
Yes, very much so.
And what would that be?
So, my husband, he told me all about you guys, and he could have wrote that monologue down to a T. Thank you for that.
Thank me?
Yes, thank you. I was just testing you, you see. And so far, all of you have been just as predictable as my husband says.
Your husband?